Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel 99Trades. In this video, we will do complete analysis of both the indices Nifty and BankNifty. We will try to find out the important levels for the coming week as well as for the next trading session, that is for the Monday's trading session. Before starting the analysis of Nifty, let's quickly see that the Reliance stock that we have given in the last week. Our viewers, Reliance stock created a double bottom near 2180 and we can build a long near 2210, 2220 and our targets are 2290, 2315, 2365. In this, already we have achieved these both targets, that is 2290 and 2315. I am playing the bar replay here. As you can see, Nifty tested this level. This is our entry point. As we said, our entry point is 2310. Exactly, the index has tested this level and it has given a quick bounce till this level. It has made a high of almost 2345. That is, our first target is reached and our second target is also reached. We are only 20 points away from our final target, that is 2366. Let's start our analysis with Nifty chart. We are using monthly chart of Nifty here. You can see it. These are the monthly candles. From the last 4 months, we have made continuously red candles. This is the December month's candle. This is the January month's candle. This is February month's candle, and this candle is last month's candle, that is March month's candle. All 4 candles are formed in red. If you zoom in this chart, let's zoom in this chart, this monthly chart. You can see it here. Whenever Nifty has made continuous 3 red candles, it has given a reversal. Here 3 red candles and it has given a reversal. Here also 1, 2, 3 red candles and it has given a reversal. Already we have formed 4 candles, and also we have seen a doji candle. This candle is a perfect doji candle at the end of a downtrend. Only this doji candle has importance if it is formed at the end of a downtrend or if it is formed at the end of an uptrend. We can call this doji candle as a reversal candle also. But the confirmation is only in the next month, that is in the next month, if a big green candle above this level is formed, then we can say that this doji candle is confirmed, that is the trend reversal candle is confirmed. Now let's shift the time frame to daily and let's see the important levels for the coming week. In the daily time frame, what is the trend? It is the downtrend. It is making lower low, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and it has made a high here and it has stopped making lower low, and again it has broken this previous swing high, that is this high. You can see it here. The present trend is downtrend and here the index has stopped making lower lows, and the previous swing high, which is near 17,200, index has crossed this 17,200 and closed above this 17,200. It has given a strong close above 17,200 and 17,300. It has given a close almost near 17,360. This shows it is ready to reverse its direction, that is got invalidated here above this 17,200 level. Now what are the important levels for the next week? From last 4 months, this trend line is holding this complete downtrend. So the next hurdle for Nifty will be in the coming weeks. The next hurdle will be this level, somewhere around 17,680 to 17,780. This level, this dynamic trend line level will be the next resistance for Nifty. And what will be the support for Nifty this coming week? It has already crossed this level, that is the above, it sustained above 17,200. The same level will act as before it was resistance. The same level, the 17,200 level, will now act as important support for Nifty in the coming weeks. Index may retest this 17,200 and again give a bounce from this level. Then our first target will be 17,360 and our second target will be 17,535. Our third target will be 17,665 and our final target will be 17,780. Above this level, short covering move above 17,780 levels till 18,000 levels. That is our view for the long side. Our short side view, short side will be only below this level, 3,850. Even if index breaks the 17,200 level in the coming days and trades in this range, then again index may go in the sideways direction. If index trades below 17,200, then our downside, our first target will be 17,000 and our second target will be 16,850. That is, above this level our view will be on the long side, below this level 17,200 our view will be downside till only 16,850. This will act as a major support Nifty in the coming weeks. The first major support is 17,200, and if at all index comes below this level, index will again go into a range. That is, it will move in a sideways direction. Now let's see the analysis of Bank Nifty. That is daily chart of Bank Nifty. In Bank Nifty also the same case. That is, Bank Nifty is making lower lows since December, and it has given reversal here. That is, this 40,200. This has been the 40,200 level has been important resistance for Bank Nifty in the last week, and on the last trading session, that is on the Friday's trading session, index has opened somewhere near this resistance area and took support of the 40,200, and it has given a strong closing above 40,500. That is, the close is somewhere near 40,600 level. So what does this indicate? We may say that this complete downtrend, which has been for the last 4 months since the December month, has been reversed above this 40,200. Even though on Monday's trading session, if Bank Nifty tests this area, if at all the Bank Nifty tests this 40,200, again the buyers will get active here, that is near this 40,200 level, and we may see a bounce back from this level till this resistance line. This dynamic trend line. Above this level, that is above 40,200, this XABCD pattern got activated, and as per this 0.886 level, our target is coming near 41,321. If so, for the coming week, what is our view? If index sustains above this level 40,600, then our view is then our first target will be 41,000 is the first target, and 41,321 will be the second target. Even if index test this level 40,200 level also, our view is on only long side. You can plan a long from here, that is buy and dip strategy, and we can build a long from this 40,200 level. If at all index breaks this 40,200 level, then our first target on the downside will be this level 39,600 level, this swing low, and the second target will be 39,000, and the third target will be 8,641. If index starts trading, that is if index stays low 40,200, but our high probability trade is, even if index tests is 40,200, we will start to build a long from here, keeping a small stop loss of around 50 to 100 points, that is near 40,100 or something like that. We can build a long from this 40,200 level for the targets of 41,000 and 41,321. If at all index breaks this dynamic trend line and sustains above this dynamic trend line, then we can see a short covering move till this 42,000 levels in the coming weeks. If you have any questions in this analysis, please ask your questions in the comment section. If you like this analysis, please like, share and subscribe. Keep your capital safe. Thanks and Jai Hind.